Good morning, children. Again, you are welcome in your class. What we were discussing, that was the chapter number 2, the 100 dresses. Okay. In first chapter, हमने क्या discuss किया? In second chapter, what we have discussed also, it's also important. कि second chapter में हमें पता चला, we can say कि both the girls are regretting. Both the girls are thinking that we have done wrong. Mostly, Maddie was thinking that, and they were searching out her house. Whose house? Wanda's house. And they did not find Wanda there. Got it? They only found her house that was shabby like the dress of Wanda, but clean. Is that clear? So, along with this idea, the girl was also thinking, Maddie, when she was sleeping, actually she was not getting proper sleep. But she was thinking, what? She was thinking that कि जो मैंने किया है वो बहुत गलत किया है. I should not treat the girl like that. Again, अगर ऐसा होगा in future, then I will stand by the girl who is treated badly. Is that clear? So she was never going to stand by and say nothing again. If she ever heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, कह रही है कि अगर ऐसा कभी हुआ in future, अगर किसी को किसी ने टीज किया या टॉन्ट किया उसकी फनी लुकिंग के कारण और उसके स्ट्रेंज नेम के कारण, she would speak up, वो बोलेगी. Even if it meant losing Peggy's friendship, चाहे वो पैगी की फ्रेंडशिप खो दे, लेकिन next time she will speak. She had no way of making things right with Wanda, क्योंकि उसका जो चांस था वो खत्म हो गया Wanda के साथ. But from now on she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. But in future she would never make anybody unhappy. These are the questions. What excuses does Peggy think up for her behavior and why? Peggy ने क्या क्या excuses लगाए behavior के लिए. पहले तो उसने ये कहा कि उसके पास जब handless dresses थी ही नहीं, तो why she was saying these words. ऐसे कुछ examples और हैं. What are Maddie's thoughts as they go to Bogging Heights? Maddie was only thinking that she should say sorry to Wanda, and she would tell her that all the children are eagerly waiting for her and they would welcome her. Why does Wanda's remind Maddie of Wanda's blue dress? Why does Wanda's house remind Maddie of Wanda's blue dress? क्योंकि उसका जो house था वो भी उसकी blue dress की तरह था, shabby but clean. What does Maddie think hard about? What important decision does she came to? ये बहुत important है कि क्या चीज़ थी वो hard थी और क्या decision लिया उसने. Maddie had taken an important decision कि in future यदि कोई किसी के नाम से या कोई के अपीयरेंस से चिढ़ाएगा तो मैं उसका खिलाफ हो जाऊंगी और मैं उसका विरोध करूंगी. ठीक है. On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. That was Saturday. Okay. Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter to Wanda. It was just a friendly letter telling about the contest and telling Wanda she had won. What the girl were doing, they were ready to write the letter to Wanda. And they were writing, what if they were writing in the letter that she had won the contest and everybody is praising her. That was a matter in the letter. They told her how pretty her drawing was. उन्होंने उसको ये भी बताया कि उसकी जो drawings थी वो बड़ी प्यारी थी. And they asked her if she liked where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. And they were also asking about her new place where she's going. And they were also inquiring about the new teacher, whether them she like or not. They had mean to say they were sorry. उनका मतलब क्या था कि उनको sorry बोलना था उनको ये सब कुछ. But it ended up with their just writing a friendly letter, the kind they would have written to any good friend, and they signed it with lots of thanks for love. यानी एक प्यार से लिखा गया लेटर. केवल उसमें यही था कि वो अपोलोजाइज कर रही हैं, दोनों माफी मांग रही हैं उससे. They mailed the letter to Bogging Heights. उन्होंने मेल किया. They mailed. उन्होंने Bogging Heights पे लेटर को मेल कर दिया. राइटिंग प्लीज फॉरवर्ड ऑन द एनवेलप, और उस पर लिखा कि प्लीज इसको फॉरवर्ड कीजिए अगर आपको मिले तो। डेज पास्ड एंड देयर वाज नो आंसर, देयर लेटर डिड नॉट गेट एनी आंसर। हुज लेटर? मैडी एंड पैगीज लेटर, but the letter did not come back. Nobody replied. So maybe Wanda had received it. Perhaps she was so hurt and angry she was not going to answer. She was thinking, Paddy was thinking that maybe Wanda got this letter and maybe she is too much angry with her that she is not thinking to reply the letter. You could not blame her. Weeks went by and still Wanda did not answer. सप्ताह बीत गए, but Wanda did not give any answer. Peggy had begun to forget the whole business. Peggy जो थी वो complete matter भूल गई. She had forgotten all the things. And Maddie put herself to sleep at night making speeches about Wanda. And you know, whenever Maddie used to sleep in the night, she used to think about Wanda. Wanda, defending her from great crowd of girls who were trying to tease her with. और सपने में क्या सोच रही थी कि वो अभी भी उसको डिफेंड कर रही है from the crowd of the girls who wanted to tease her. Who is thinking this? Maddie. How many dresses have you got? And before Wanda could press her lips together in tight line, the way she did before answering, जैसे कि वांदा से पूछा जाता था कि तुम्हारे पास कितनी ड्रेसेस हैं, तो अपने होठों को थोड़ा सा जोर से ट्विस्ट कर लेती थी वो, इसी वे में वो सोच रही है। The way she did before answering, Maddie would cry out, "Stop!" और वो सपने में सोच रही है कि रोको, सभी बच्चों को रोक रही है वो ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछने से। Then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. और हर बच्चे ashamed फील कर रहे थे, शर्मिंदा फील कर रहे थे, जैसा कि वो चाहती थी कि वो करे। ये सब कौन सोच रहा है? मैडी। मैडी वॉज इन ड्रीम। जब भी वो सोने जाती थी वो यही सोच रही थी वो लड़की, यानी मैडी के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रभाव पड़ा। पैगी के ऊपर जितना ज़्यादा नहीं पड़ा, मैडी बहुत दुखी हुई क्योंकि मैडी अपने आप को सी कंसिडर्ड हरसेल्फ एज ए वांडा बिकॉज देयर कंडीशन वाज सेम. Maddie was also poor and Wanda was also poor. Only one difference was that Maddie was not living in Bogging Heights. Now it was Christmas time and there was snow on the ground. Christmas bells and a small tree decorated the classroom. That was the time of Christmas. ये एक फेस्टिवल होता है Christmas, and the room was completely decorated by the flowers. On the last day of school before the holidays, it was the last day before the holidays. Winter vacation जो होती है ना हमारी, उस टाइम पे आता है Christmas. The teacher assured the class a letter she had received that morning. Teacher ने एक letter और receive किया, and he also showed that letter to the class. You remember Wanda Petrosonki, the gifted girl artist who won the drawing contest? What did the teacher say? Teacher said to the children, you remember Wanda Petrosonki? She was a gifted who had won the contest. Well, she has written me and I am glad to know where she lives. उसने मुझे लिखा and I am very happy to know that she is where she lives because now I can send her medal. अब मैं उसको उसका जीता हुआ मेडल भेज सकती हूँ. Who was saying these words? The teacher. I want to read her letter to you. वो कह रही कि this letter is written by Wanda and that is for you. I want to read it. The class sat up with sudden interest and listened intently. Everybody was sitting and they were listening the letter of Wanda. Dear Miss Mason, how are you? And room 13. Because the girl specially belonged to room 13. रूम नंबर 13 में बैठती थी वो, कह रही कि आप कैसे हैं और रूम 13 कैसा है. रूम 13 का मतलब सभी बच्चे आ गए. Please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses. That was written by Wanda. कि प्लीज उन गर्ल्स को बोलो they will keep these 100 dresses because in my new house I have 100 new ones. I also had new ones, 100 dresses new in my new house. All line up in my closet. I would like the girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dress. विद द रेड ट्रिमिंग। कैरी की जो गर्ल पैगी है वो रखे कौन सी वाली, ग्रीन ड्रेस जो ग्रीन कलर में पेंटिंग की हुई है, विद द रेड ट्रिमिंग, उसके ऊपर रेड ट्रिमिंग लगी हुई है। एंड एन फ्रेंड मैडी टू हैव द ब्लू वन फॉर क्रिसमस, ये क्रिसमस की तरफ से मेरी तरफ से गिफ्ट है उनको। ब्लू वन किसके लिए है, मैडी के लिए। एक्चुअली दीज वर द ड्राइंग, दीज वर नॉट रियल ड्रेसेस। आई मिस दैट स्कूल एंड माई न्यू टीचर डज नॉट इक्वलाइज विद यू, मैं स्कूल को मिस कर रही हूँ और मेरे जो न्यू टीचर है वो आप जैसे नहीं है। मैरी क्रिसमस टू यू एंड एवरीबडी, सभी को मैरी क्रिसमस मेरी तरफ से। व्हाट वाज रिटन, दैट वाज अ लेटर बाय वांडा टू द क्लास, कि जो ग्रीन वन है दैट इज फॉर पैगी एंड द ब्लू वन इज फॉर मैडी। यानी उस लड़की के दिल में कभी उसके प्रति कोई नहीं वो नहीं था, है ना। ऑन द वे होम फ्रॉम स्कूल मैडी एंड पैगी हेल्ड देयर ड्राइंग्स वेरी केयरफुली। Both the drawings, green one given to Peggy and blue one given to Maddie, they were taking them carefully. All the houses had wreaths and holly in the windows. Outside the grocery store, सभी houses decorated किए गए थे क्योंकि that was the Christmas. Hundreds of Christmas trees were stacked. वहाँ पे बहुत से Christmas trees लगा दिए गए. And in the window, candy, peppermint sticks, and cornucopies of shiny transparent paper were strung, यानी डेकोरेटिव कंटेनर्स वहां पे लगा दिए गए। To the air smelled like Christmas and light shining everywhere. हवा भी स्मेल कर रही थी क्रिसमस की तरह और everywhere what was shining, lights were shining. Reflected different colors on the snow, और snow के अंदर different type of colors reflect हो रहे थे। Boy, said Peggy, this shows she really likes us. It shows she got our letter, and this is her way of saying that everything is all right, and that is that. Peggy बोली हाँ, इसका मतलब ये हुआ, the girl Wanda has forgiven us, she really liked us, and this is the reply of the letter which we have written to her, and she came to know that we have wanted to say sorry to her. That is why she has given us the dresses. I hope so, said Maddie sadly. Maddie दुखी होकर कहा हाँ मुझे उम्मीद है, I hope so. She felt sad because she knew she would never see the little tight lip polished girl again and couldn't ever really make things right between them. Why she was feeling sorry? Why Maddie was feeling sorry? She was thinking that in future I would not meet the little polished girl and I would not say story to her. That is why she was very sad. कौन? Who was sad? Maddie. पैगी ने तो कह दिया कि हाँ चलो उसने हमें माफ़ कर दिया, इसीलिए उसका जो रिप्लाई आ रहा है हमारे पास। लेकिन मैडी को बड़ा फील हो रहा था। मैडी सोच रही थी कि मैं एक बार उससे मिल लूँ और मैं उसको सॉरी बोल दूँ, बस मैं यही चाहती हूँ। She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. अपनी जो ड्राइंग थी वो पिन कर दी उसने, कहाँ पे? In the bedroom में। The shabby room came alive from the brilliancy of the colors. जो भद्दा सा रूम था shabby, वो एकदम से जिंदा हो गया उस कलर्स से। Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. Maddie बैठ गई अपने बेड पे और अपनी ड्राइंग को देखने लग गई। She had stood by and said nothing, but Wanda had been nice to her anyway. She stood by, वो खड़ी हो गई, but she did not say a word. She was only thinking Wanda was a good girl. Who was doing this activity? Maddie. When she came with the dresses, she set the dresses in the room. Tears blurred her eyes and she gazed for a long time at the pictures. Gaze का मतलब था एक तक देखना. What was coming from her eyes? Tears flowing from her eyes. She was weeping badly, we can say. Whenever she was looking toward the picture, her eyes were showing, we can say, the tears were flowing in her eyes. When she was gazing at the pictures for a long time, then hesitantly she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. तभी उसने अपनी आँखों को रब किया और फिर उस ड्राइंग को स्टडी करने लग गई। The colors in the dress were so vivid that she had scarcely noticed the face and head of the drawing. Colors थे वो different type of colors थे, और what happens that she had scarcely noticed the face and head of the drawing. बड़ी मुश्किल से उसका ड्राइंग का चेहरा और हेड उसको चेक किया उसने, बट इट लुक लाइक हर, वो तो वो बिल्कुल वैसी ही थी जैसी वो खुद थी। यानी ये जो ड्राइंग बनाई थी स्पेशली किसके लिए थी? मैडी के लिए। किसकी तरफ से? वांडा की तरफ से। मैडी, इट रियली लुक लाइक हर ओन माउथ, अरे ये तो उसके अपने मुंह जैसा है। व्हाई इट रियली लुक लाइक हर ओन सेल्फ, वो बड़ा सरप्राइज हुई व्हेन शी सॉ द पिक्चर, then she thought that why it look like me. Wanda had really drawn this for her excitedly. Then something came in her mind and she thought that Wanda had drawn this painting only for her, क्योंकि the painting जो drawing थी वो that was same like Maddie. Excitedly she becomes excited. She ran over to Peggy's. और वो कहाँ चलेगी? पैगी के पास चलेगी दौड़कर। क्या देखा उसने पेंटिंग में? उसने देखा कि जो पेंटिंग है उसका जो फेस है दैट वाज जस्ट लाइक हर, वो उसकी तरह ही है। देन शी हैड रन अवे टू वांडा, पैगी। पैग, शी सेड लेट मी सी योर पिक्चर। वो बोली पैग मुझे अपनी पिक्चर दिखाओ। व्हाट इज द मैटर? आस्क्ड पैगी एज दे क्लैटर्ड अप टू हर रूम वेयर वांडा's drawing was lying face down on the bed. When she asked Peggy, "Let me see your picture," then Peggy asked, "What is the matter?" And both had entered in the room of Peggy. और वहाँ देखती है कि औंधे मुंह पड़ी है उसकी पेंटिंग, किस पे? बेड पे। Maddie carefully raised it. Maddie ने प्यार से सावधानी से उसे उठाया। Look, she drew you. देखो इसने तेरी पेंटिंग बनाई है। That is you, she exclaimed. उसने exclaim किया, that is you, ये तुम हो। And the head and face of this picture did look like Peggy. देखो इसका हेड और पिक्चर सेम तुम्हारे तरह है, ऐसा ही उसने मेरे साथ किया था। What did I say? said Peggy. She must have really like us anyway. लेकिन पैगी ने कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं लिया, कह रहा What did I say? मैं क्या कह सकती हूँ? She must have really like us anyway. हो सकता है वो हमें बहुत पसंद करती हो। Yes, she must have, agreed Maddie. Maddie ने कहा yes. And she blinked away the tears that came every time she thought of Wanda standing alone in the sunny spot in the schoolyard. और उसकी आंखों में आंसू दोबारा आने लग गए। That came every time she thought of Wanda. जब वो वांडा के बारे में सोचती थी उसकी आंखों में से आंसू टपकते थे। Standing in the sunny spot in the schoolyard. जब वो स्कूल यार्ड में खड़ी होती थी, जब वो दोनों लड़कियां उसकी बेइज्जती करती थी, उसकी ड्रेसेस के बारे में कमेंट करती थी, वो चीज़ याद करके बड़ा दुख हो रहा है, उसको पछतावा हो रहा है मैडी को। Looking stolidly over it, the group of girls, after she had walked off, after she had said, "Sure, 100 of them all lined up." That was the chapter. वो सारी जो बच्चों की तरफ देखती थी और जब वो चुपचाप निकल जाती थी, वो सीन याद करके उसे बड़ा दुख होता है। किसको हो रहा है दुख? मैडी को। मैडी वॉज वेरी सैड। तो दैट वॉज द चैप्टर 100 days नंबर 2। Got it? इन दिस चैप्टर हमने क्या पढ़ा कि जो रैगिंग होती है, ये भी एक प्रकार की रैगिंग ही थी। रैगिंग इज ए क्राइम। रैगिंग एक क्राइम होता है। बच्चे सुसाइड तक अटेम्प्ट कर लेते हैं। और ये इतनी प्यारी सी स्टोरी है, एक बच्चे की वो रैगिंग करती है, एक प्रकार से गरीब है वो, उसकी गरीबी का मजाक उड़ाती हैं, उसके कपड़ों का मजाक उड़ाती हैं। तो कैसे उस बच्चे ने उसको रिप्लाई दिया, कितना वो प्यार करती थी उन दोनों से। एक्चुअली पैगी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा लास्ट तक, क्योंकि पैगी नेवर फील द सफरिंग ऑफ अदर्स। एक्चुअली शी वॉज गुड, बट इन दिस केस आई थिंक शी हैड नो इमोशंस। बट Maddie had a lot of emotions, and Maddie understood the complete topic. That is why she felt the sadness and the sorrow of Wanda. When Wanda had left the place, that was the Maddie who tried to search her, and Peggy was also with her, but Maddie was more interested than the Peggy. है ना? So these we can say I have given you the questions also regarding your chapter. What did girls write to Wanda? Wanda को गर्ल्स ने क्या लिखा? वांडा को गर्ल्स ने क्या लिखा भी, व्हाट डिड द गर्ल्स राइट टू वांडा, कि आपकी ड्रेसेस अच्छी हैं और आपको एडमायर करते हैं हम, और तुमने जो ड्राइंग में हिस्सा लिया था, यू हैव वॉन द कॉन्टेस्ट. डिड दे गेट अ रिप्लाई? यस, दे गेट अ रिप्लाई. हु वाज मोर एंग्शियस फॉर रिप्लाई, पैगी और मैडी? मैडी. हाउ डू यू नो? क्योंकि मैडी वाज मोर वरीड अबाउट वांडा देन द पैगी. गॉट इट? How did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her? When they show the drawing, their own picture was made there. That is why they came to know that Wanda liked them more than that they. इतनी बेइज्जती होने के बाद में, इतना कुछ होने के बाद में भी वांदा का कितना बड़ा हार्ट था. Got it or not? So questions I have given to you. More questions I will give you today. I hope you have completely understood the chapter. That was very interesting, both one, 100 days first, 100 days second. Got it? इसके अंदर important thing, character sketch of Maddie, character sketch of Wanda, character sketch of Peggy. तीनों के character sketch you have to write. And you should submit me the answers. And the questions which I have given to you, these are also very important regarding your exams. मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ, you should copy them, you should show them to me. और अभी जो questions हैं, only 3 characters sketch of Maddie, Peggy and Wanda. Is that clear? और उसमें जो question है ragging वाला, that is also important. Got it? Understand everybody? Okay, bye.